Did you know that having a leaky gut lining can have severe health consequences? Stay tuned to learn more about this, how to reverse it, and more. Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we are diving deep into the subject of gut lining and how having a damaged gut lining can have some serious health consequences. So come on and join us. What is the gut? The gut, also known as the intestinal tract, is a complex system responsible for the digestion and absorption of nutrients, as well as the elimination of waste. The gastrointestinal tract extends from the mouth to the anus and includes various organs such as the stomach, intestines, and colon. The gut is home to trillions of microorganisms collectively known as the gut microbiota, which play a crucial role in maintaining overall health. What is the function of the gut lining? The gut lining, or intestinal epithelium, serves as a barrier between the contents of the gut and the rest of the body. This barrier is selectively permeable, allowing the absorption of nutrients and water while preventing harmful substances like toxins and pathogens from entering the bloodstream. Additionally, the gut lining produces mucus and antimicrobial peptides to protect against infections and maintain a healthy gut environment. Why is the gut lining important for overall health? The integrity of the gut lining is vital for overall health. A healthy gut lining supports proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. It prevents the entry of harmful substances into the bloodstream, thereby reducing the risk of inflammation and chronic diseases. Moreover, a robust gut lining is essential for maintaining the balance of the gut microbiota, which is crucial for numerous bodily functions, including metabolism, mood regulation, and disease prevention. Why is the microbiota important for the gut? The gut microbiota, consisting of beneficial bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms, plays a pivotal role in maintaining the health of the gut lining. These microorganisms help digest food, produce essential vitamins, and protect against harmful pathogens. They also produce short-chain fatty acids through the fermentation of dietary fibers, which nourish the cells of the gut lining and promote its integrity. A balanced and diverse gut microbiota is essential for preventing conditions such as leaky gut and inflammation. What's a leaky gut? Leaky gut, or increased intestinal permeability, occurs when the tight junctions between the cells of the gut lining become loose or damaged. This allows undigested food particles, toxins, and bacteria to pass through the gut lining and enter the bloodstream. The immune system recognizes these foreign substances and mounts an inflammatory response, which can lead to various health issues. Several factors can contribute to the development of a leaky gut, including poor diet, chronic stress, infections, and certain medications. Common symptoms of leaky gut include bloating, gas, cramps, food sensitivities, and fatigue. Over time, a leaky gut can contribute to more severe conditions such as autoimmune diseases, allergies, and chronic inflammation. To prevent and manage leaky gut, it is essential to maintain a healthy gut lining through a balanced diet, stress management, and the avoidance of factors that can damage the gut. Supporting the gut microbiota with probiotics and prebiotics can also help restore gut health and integrity. What health problems associate with a leaky gut? Leaky gut syndrome can lead to a wide range of health problems due to the constant exposure of the immune system to foreign substances. This chronic immune activation can result in systemic inflammation, which is a common underlying factor in many chronic diseases, autoimmune diseases. Conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and multiple sclerosis are linked to leaky gut. The immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues, which can be triggered by the presence of foreign particles in the bloodstream due to a compromised gut lining. Inflammatory bowel diseases. Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis are chronic conditions that cause inflammation in the digestive tract. Leaky gut can exacerbate these conditions by allowing bacteria and toxins to penetrate the gut lining and trigger an inflammatory response. Allergies and food sensitivities. A damaged gut lining can increase the likelihood of developing food allergies and sensitivities. Undigested food particles passing through the gut lining can provoke an immune response, leading to symptoms like bloating, gas, diarrhea, and skin rashes. Mental health issues. Emerging research suggests a strong connection between gut health and mental health. Leaky gut can contribute to conditions such as depression and anxiety by promoting inflammation and affecting the balance of neurotransmitters. Chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia. These conditions are characterized by widespread pain, fatigue, and cognitive difficulties. Leaky gut can contribute to these symptoms by promoting systemic inflammation and impairing nutrient absorption. Skin disorders. Conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and acne have been linked to gut health. Leaky gut can exacerbate these skin conditions by promoting inflammation and allowing toxins to enter the bloodstream. What are the 9 things that destroy your gut lining? 1. Poor diet. Diets high in processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats can damage the gut lining by promoting inflammation and disrupting the balance of gut microbiota. Consuming a diet rich in whole foods, fiber, and healthy fats is crucial for maintaining gut health. 2. Chronic stress. Prolonged stress can negatively impact the gut lining by increasing the production of stress hormones like cortisol, which can weaken the tight junctions between gut cells and promote inflammation. 3. Infections. Bacterial, viral, and fungal infections can directly damage the gut lining and disrupt the balance of gut microbiota. It is essential to address infections promptly and support the immune system to prevent gut damage. 4. Medications. Certain medications, such as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs known as NSAIDs, antibiotics, and proton pump inhibitors, also known as PPIs, can harm the gut lining by disrupting the gut microbiota and increasing intestinal permeability. 5. Alcohol. Alcohol consumption irritates the gut lining, promote inflammation, and disrupt the balance of gut microbiota. Avoiding alcohol intake is crucial for maintaining gut health. 6. Lack of sleep. Poor sleep quality and insufficient sleep can negatively impact gut health by disrupting the balance of gut microbiota and promoting inflammation. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene is essential for gut health. 7. Environmental toxins. Exposure to environmental toxins such as pesticides, heavy metals, and pollutants can damage the gut lining and disrupt the balance of gut microbiota. Reducing exposure to these toxins and supporting detoxification processes can help protect the gut. 8. Food sensitivities and allergies. Consuming foods that you are sensitive or allergic to can cause inflammation and damage the gut lining. Identifying and avoiding trigger foods is essential for maintaining gut health. 9. Sedentary lifestyle. A lack of physical activity can negatively impact gut health by promoting inflammation and reducing the diversity of gut microbiota. Regular exercise is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut. How to improve gut health? Improving gut health involves several key strategies. Eat a diverse whole foods diet. Incorporate a variety of low glycemic fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and high-quality proteins into your diet. These foods provide essential nutrients and fiber that support the gut microbiota and maintain gut lining integrity. Include probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support gut health, while prebiotics are fibers that feed these bacteria. Foods rich in probiotics include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Prebiotic-rich foods include garlic, onions, bananas, and asparagus. Manage stress. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises to reduce the negative impact of stress on your gut. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain the mucosal lining of the intestines and supports the balance of good bacteria in the gut. Exercise regularly. Engage in regular physical activity to promote gut motility and enhance the diversity of gut microbiota. Get enough sleep. Prioritize good sleep hygiene to support gut health and overall well-being. Limit processed foods and sugar. Reducing your intake of processed foods and sugars can help decrease inflammation and support a healthy gut microbiota. Avoid unnecessary medications. Use medications like NSAIDs, antibiotics, and PPIs only when necessary and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Avoid alcohol. Limit alcohol consumption to protect the gut lining and maintain a healthy gut microbiota. Reduce exposure to toxins. Minimize exposure to environmental toxins and support your body's detoxification processes through a healthy diet and lifestyle. By implementing these strategies, you can improve your gut health, protect your gut lining, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases associated with poor gut health. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, the integrity and health of your gut lining are crucial for maintaining overall well-being. The gut lining acts as a critical barrier that selectively allows nutrients to be absorbed while keeping harmful substances out. It also plays a vital role in supporting the immune system and maintaining the balance of the gut microbiota, which is essential for numerous bodily functions. Leaky gut syndrome, characterized by increased intestinal permeability, can lead to a range of health problems, including autoimmune diseases, inflammatory bowel diseases, allergies, mental health issues, chronic fatigue, and skin disorders. These conditions arise from the systemic inflammation and immune responses triggered by the entry of harmful substances into the bloodstream due to a compromised gut lining. Several factors contribute to the destruction of the gut lining, such as poor diet, chronic stress, infections, medications, alcohol consumption, lack of sleep, environmental toxins, food sensitivities, and a sedentary lifestyle. Each of these elements can disrupt the balance of the gut microbiota, weaken the gut lining, and promote inflammation, leading to a cascade of health issues. Improving gut health involves adopting a holistic approach that includes dietary, lifestyle, and environmental changes. Eating a diverse, whole foods diet rich in fiber, probiotics, and prebiotics is fundamental for nourishing the gut microbiota and maintaining the gut lining. Managing stress through mindfulness practices, ensuring adequate hydration, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep are also crucial for supporting gut health. Limiting the intake of processed foods, sugars, and alcohol, avoiding unnecessary medications, and reducing exposure to environmental toxins further protect the gut lining. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance the resilience and function of your gut, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and improve your overall quality of life. Supporting and maintain gut health is not just about preventing disease, but also about promoting a state of optimal health and well-being. By understanding the factors that impact the gut lining and making informed choices, you can significantly influence your health outcomes and enjoy a better, healthier life. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.